Hello and welcome to the tutorial series of making a Discord bot with Python. I am Koshagra and I will be guiding you throughout this series. By the end of this series, we will create a fully functional Discord bot with free cloud hosting. Now, most of you would already know what Discord is, but for those that you don't, well, in their own word, Discord is your place to talk. Whether you're a part of a school club, gaming group, worldwide art community, or just a handful of friends that want to spend time together, Discord makes it easy to talk every day and hang out more often. You have Discord available for Windows, Mac, Linux, even your mobile devices, iOS and Android. You could even use Discord in your browser. So in this tutorial series, we will be focusing on creating a Discord bot and hosting it and using it completely in your browser. Will not be using anything on your desktop other than your browser. If you've been on servers in Discord, there's a high probability that you must have come across bots like the Me6 bot or the Carl bot, which itself says that it is serving 196,242,785 members in almost 1.5 million servers. So for our entire project, we will be using Repel.it. Repel.it is a free collaborative in-browser IDE which supports more than 50 languages, and you do not need to install anything on your machine. Everything happens in the cloud. So to begin with Repel.it, you will have to sign up if you do not have an account already. In my case, I have an account, so I'll just log in. Now I am logged in to Repel.it. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to go and create a new Repel. We'll select our language, that is Python, and we'll give a name to our project. Well, I want to name my bot Sage, so I will just name this project Sage Discord bot. So welcome to your Repel.it integrated development environment. Here we have our directory. Repel.it makes a main.py file on its own when we create a new Repel. This is our text editor in the middle and the terminal on the right hand side. To make this project, we'll be using the Discord API, discord.py, and here's the documentation for that. The link for the documentation and all other resources used in this tutorial will be linked down below in the description. So you can go through this documentation if you would like. So I have already created my test server, that is this server. There I am, and there's a bot that I created earlier. So to make a bot, we'll require a bot user. Like the user NaughtyBot in this case is a bot user. So for that, we'll require Discord's developer portal. To reach to the developer portal, you could either search Discord developer on Google and the first link will lead you here, or you could use the link in the description, it will be mentioned there. So to begin, we'll create a new application. When we are starting, we must name our bot. So that would be the name that our bot gets as soon as it joins the server. So I'll name this bot Sage. So first, to make our bot, we'll have to go to the bot, and now we'll create add a bot. Now it asks add a bot to this app. Adding a bot user gives your app visible live in Discord. However, this action is revocable. Choose wisely. So we'll be giving live to our bot. We'll be creating its user. So we'll click yes to it, and now we have a bot. It says a wild bot has appeared. So the username for our bot is Sage. Now this is a token. Now we'll use it later in this tutorial. Now that we have created our bot, we need to add our bot to our server. To do that, we'll first go to scopes and we'll select bot. Now we will have to select the permissions of this bot. So for basic text permissions, for now I'll choose send messages, manage messages, read message history, and yes, a general permission to view channels so that it could see the channels that we are talking in. So now we have this link, we'll just go to this website, that is Discord authorization website. Now we'll add Sage to our test server and we'll click continue. Now it will ask again that these are the permissions that this bot requires. We'll authorize that, then we'll authorize that we are a human, and done. So the bot has now joined the server. You can see the bot is over here. The Sage bot has joined our server, but you can see the bot is offline. Now that we have created a bot, let us program the bot. Alright, so now that we have added our bot to our server, we'll now write the program for our bot to run. So to start, we'll begin by importing Discord, and then we'll import from Discord .ext, we'll import commands and tasks. Now that we have imported commands and tasks, we'll go ahead and create our client. So to create our client, we'll write client equals to commands dot bot, and that's it. We have created our client. Now we can add an attribute in this to receive the command prefix. So we'll write command underscore prefix equals to, we'll make a string, and for this bot I will choose, let's say, an exclamation mark. You can choose any symbol that you would like. So now we'll create an event. For that we'll have to write an event decorator that would be @client.event and followed by async def to define the function on underscore ready. So what this would do is, when our bot is ready, this piece of code would run, as it would trigger that event. So what we want this to do is to give us an output that our bot is online. I want it to tell us that the bot is online. So I'll write the bot is online. When we run the bot, we'll see in our terminal that the output that we get is bot is online. Now we'll create a command. So for that we'll write the command decorator, that is @client.command and parenthesis. In next line we'll write async def. Now what we'll write is the name of the command. So in this case I want a ping command, so I'll write ping and parenthesis, and in that I'll give ctx. We'll create this command. So what I want this command to return is, I want this command to return the latency of the client. So for that I'll write await ctx.send. Now I'll create an f string over here. Okay, so now I'll write in this, first of all, pong. Now we'll give a rounded off latency round client dot latency multiplied by 1000, and we'll get out of that and we'll write ms. So this would give us the latency in milliseconds. And that's it. You have created the bot. But wait, to run this bot, there's still an important part left. So to run this bot, we require a token. When we created our bot, there was a token. Now we need to put that token over here. So we'll write client dot run and create parenthesis, and inside a string we'll go back to Discord developer portal. As you can see, we are in the bot section. We will see over here that we have token. Now we'll copy the token, we'll go back to Repel and we'll paste it. Now we have a secret token to our bot, so when we run it, our bot will receive these programs. So I'll just go ahead and run it. It says the bot is online, and now we can go here and check. As you can see, the bot is now online. Earlier it was offline. So now let me just check. I'll write ping. Voila, the bot says pong 40 ms. So the latency of this bot is 40 milliseconds. You have created a bot yourself. But wait, there's still a catch. On Repel, by default, all the projects are in public domain. So anyone could access your project by using the URL over here. So what we can do is we will create a file .env. We'll create an environment file. So by default, the environment files are not visible, and we'll create a variable over here, a global variable that would be our token. Now we'll go back to our main.py and we'll import OS. We'll import OS. Now instead of writing the token over here, we'll clear that out and we'll write os.get env, get environment, and then we'll create parentheses and we'll write token, of course inside a string. When we save this and we stop this bot and we rerun it, so we have changed the code and we've rerun the bot, and as we can see back in Discord, the bot is still online and I can still create commands and write ping, and it still works. Now if someone would try to open your Repel using your URL, they cannot get your token. And be careful, do not share your token, because anyone with that token can assume control of your bot and can make it do anything that they want. And by the time you'll be watching this video, I would have already changed the token. So do not waste your time trying to copy that. That's all for this part. Now we have a working Discord bot that is online and responds to our commands. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.